Welcome to the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. This Traverse is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, power windows, locks and mirrors, power adjustable trunk, memory seating, automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and forward collision warning. We have push-button ignition, a nice large touchscreen with navigation as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating. We have a nice large wireless charging pad, your automatic shifter, your 4x4, so you have two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, sport, hill, mountainous terrain, and trailer with lane keep assist and traction control. Vehicle has the all-black interior, Bose audio, quality speakers throughout, and black leather heated and ventilated seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Traverse here, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. We have the black rims with the red hash mark signature for the redline edition. Blacked out door handles with keyless entry all around. The black and red Traverse on the front door. Making our way to the front here, we have LED daytime running lamps as well as fog lights. The black bow tie and parking, the front camera parking sensor up front there as well. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows. At the back of the redline Traverse, we have the clear LED tail lamps, dual chrome exhaust tips, parking sensors, trailer tow package, and a power tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row captain's chairs, both leather heated and car seat ready as well. Quick fold down out of the way, giving you access to your third row of the Traverse here. A 60/40 leather split. Over top, we got LED lighting and AC vents, dual panel sunroof, rear climate control with USB ports and an outlet, and 3-stage heated seats. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Traverse Redline Edition. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.